Welcome to the Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass course.
What's up, people? My name's Jack. We're doing it big, not doing it small. I am a freelance video editor, videographer, and YouTuber producing weekly content based around video production. You can catch me around town with the camera or in the club shooting up an after movie. But whatever I'm doing, I'm making some content and I'm bringing you guys with me. Let's get to it.
What's up, everybody? Today we're going to shoot a music video, potentially. If this video actually reached you, it means it was interesting enough and I was actually able to get enough compelling footage to make it something worth uploading.
Anyways, I lose my mind after talking for too long, so I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out. That was a lazy peace. See you later.